So, are the northern Philippines worth coming to over the south?
100 million%. S&M.
This is Baguio. You might not recognise it as the Philippines, but it is the Philippines. This is the coldest place in the Philippines. We're up quite high in the mountains here. And if you saw our last video, our first impressions of Baguio were not exactly great.
No, but we're giving it a go because there's nowhere else to go in the north of the Philippines.
Basically, long story short, we only came to the northern Philippines to do one particular thing. We wanted to swim in a volcano. We couldn't do it, so we thought we'd try and make it work up here. Baguio is not somewhere where foreign tourists come a lot. It seems to be somewhere where a lot of Filipino people come for a city break. Even though it's a city, it's up in the mountains, there's no smog, it's quite a fresh sort of place, isn't it?
Yeah,
it's just very busy.
It's really nice here.
So
and we're going to try and find some nice walks, aren't we?
Well, we're not just, that sounds boring as fuck.
And is it?
Yeah, we ain't gonna find some new nice. We're gonna explore the land and see what there actually is to do here, because yesterday was an absolute flop. Usually is on a travel day. Don't usually even do anything, but we thought it's night time and we got told there was a haunted hotel and it was a whole thing. Ended up offending some man that lives there.
Are you the cleaner?
Yeah. Whoops. To be completely honest, actually I won't give my opinion till the end because we haven't actually looked around here yet. I don't know if this is better than where we've been. Just at first impressions, I was a bit like, this ain't what I was expecting. You know, when you hear go to a mountain village or even a mountain city, you'd expect it to be kind of quiet, serene, like, I don't know, wildlife and that. But this is really built up and it's really busy. There's people everywhere. The prices are high. The place we stayed at last night was shit for the money. 49, yeah, £50 a night. You do it.
No.
Because if we keep talking over each other, it's so hard for me to cut.
It was £50 a night, and it was like, yeah,
it was
bad.
Worth.
It was bad. Don't talk over me.
It was worth about half of that. It was probably worth £25 a night.
And the breakfast was pony.
Pony means bad for anybody who doesn't understand that.
Oh, we've been really negative, aren't we?
No, this is why. Right, the last video was negative.
And so is this one.
Let's go. So, for starters, we've upgraded the room. The room we were in before was shit, so we've upgraded and we've got this instead. It's a little one-bedroom condo just round the corner in a nice quiet area. It's nice, it smells nice in here, it's fresh. We've got a waterfall shower, everything is just a complete upgrade. And this is actually cheaper than the hotel we were in before. There's no breakfast included, but the breakfast was a bit dead as well.
So bad.
So yeah, this is the start of our new attitude towards this place. We need a...
Sorry, that just expelled out of me.
Yeah, we heard. Right, so what to do here in Baguio? What does everybody do here in Baguio? Let's go and find out. Right, it's a new day. We need to get rid of all this negative energy, right? What better way to do that than to get a nice massage, purge away all the negative energy, get some positivity going, get some blood flow going, get some excitement going back in. That's what we're gonna do. Well, let's do it. As part of our attempt to enjoy this place, we're gonna get a lovely massage, have a nice relaxation and a reset. It's a look. Oh yeah. Natalia, what do you think of your massage?
It was fantastic, but I'm in bits now. Like the woman's fingers were so strong. I was sweating. I was in that much agony.
The person who did mine was very strong as well, which is not a problem. That's what I need. The only thing is, it's the first time I've ever had a massage from a man, and I don't know, man. I was thinking, is this weird? Nah, ain't weird. Come on, let's just do it. And, like, we know where the boundaries are. The geezer knows where the boundaries are, right? As soon as the boundary gets crossed, we've got a problem. But until then, this is just a normal massage in Asia. It's horrible that massages have got such a seedy, you know, everyone thinks of happy endings and shit. especially in Asia. And when it was a geezer, I was like, I don't know, man. I don't know for how I feel about this. Not that it should be a sexual thing, but you know, you do kind of think that when you come here.
But also massages are quite sensual.
Yeah, it's quite sensual, and I was thinking, I've got geezer's hands all over me. I was like, oh, I don't know how I feel about it. Come on, mate, it's 2025. Don't be that insecure homophobe. Let's just do it. So I thought, he knows the boundaries, right? We'll go for it. And as soon as I feel like a line's been crossed, mate, I'm cutting it off. And it was actually sweet as. The geezer was actually well alright. Nice dude. That's what I needed. It's bang on what I needed. So now we're gonna go and see this Camp John Hay. A little bit windy, isn't it?
Yes. Not that warm.
It's a new day. We're going to Camp John Hay. If we can get there. I can see it, but I don't know where the path is. Morning. Thank you. Thank you. It's literally just a print screen of Google Maps. Sound like your mum. So what is this dipped in? What is it dipped in? What is this?
This is sugar, sir?
Sugar.
Yes.
So strawberries dipped in sugar. Tangaloo. It cost $3.40. I gave him 500. He gave me $3.40 change. Like, no, that's not right, man.
There's a lot of sugar on this. Get out.
Oh, we bounce off the walls after this. I need something to do.
It's only meant to have a thin layer of sugar on top. Like all of this extra. I don't know how much I've got in mine. It's only meant to have a thin layer.
It's getting so stuck to my teeth.
Yeah. I feel like my tooth's gonna come out.
Yeah, same. Ow, mate. It does taste good. It's like sweets on steroids. Basically, what they do is they get the strawberries on the stick. They fry the sugar and melt it down. They dip the strawberries in the sugar and then they leave it in ice until it solidifies. And you're left with this. Tangaloo. Tangaloo. I can't remember how to say it. I'm trying. It tastes nice, but say goodbye to your teeth. What do you think?
No.
You don't like it?
I'd rather just have fresh strawberries.
Yeah, well, yeah. To be fair, it seems a bit unnecessary. But when in Rome, give it a go, mate. There are actually a heap of activities you can do in here. You can do target shooting with paintballs, BB guns, gel blasters, whatever they are. You can go paintballing, gel blastering, wall climbing, zip line and rappel. I think wall climbing would be best.
Okay. Let's do that then.
That was pretty easy, to be honest. Piece of piss. It's quite fun though. I can see why you do it, Dan.
I took pictures, but even I attempt to try and sell them to you.
Yeah, I think they were taking pictures just for their website or something.
Right, okay.
Probably because there's not many Westerners up here. They were like, oh shit, a Western female, we have to have her doing it because we probably don't have a picture of that yet. Just by our observation while we're here, there are no Westerners here at all. The only Westerners here are older men with their Filipino wife and family. The butterfly sanctuary too. See how much this is.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes,
How much?
everything I can do for you, sir.
How much is it to go in?
Go in the
In
here, in
the
the butterfly, in the restroom.
oh no, well, in the butterfly.
In the butterfly, it's Change management. It's closed.
It's closed.
Yes.
So what is this? Oh, restroom. Oh.
10 pesos.
Okay, yeah, no worries. Thank you.
Thank you.
Closed. Do you know what, right? I don't think I've ever been anywhere before and been told, sorry, we don't have that, as many times as I have here.
Yeah.
The amount of...
Neglected, not
Yep.
neglected.
Rejected.
Rejected.
I keep getting rejected. Everything I'm ordering. I'm trying to order drinks, don't have that one. Alright, what about this meal? Don't have that. Well, alright, well, what do you have? Can we go in there? No, it's just change management, it's not open. Alright, well, what am I supposed to do here? I don't know. I don't know. Trying to stay positive here, people. I'm trying to give it a fair review. But I'm finding it very hard. Look, there's a cat. This is literally the most interesting thing I've seen.
Got cool markings.
It's a cat with cool markings. Let's go and see this manor. To be fair, right, a lot of people just use this as a stopover on their way up to Sagada, which I think would be good. The problem with that is it's so far. It's another at least 6 to 8 hours from here to get to Sagada and Batad rice terraces. 6 to 8 hours, can't be asked. Can't be asked. We've already gone too far north now, really. There you go.
Hey, from Chelsea, Bulan, Bulan, hey, hey,
I don't think I've ever seen somebody so excited. I've never seen anybody so excited by a camera before. Not in 2025 anyway. There's cameras everywhere, man.
Not even in India.
No. The Indians didn't even get that excited. Bit of energy, mate. Lovely. Oh, yeah. Well, I think this is the manor what we're coming up to now. This is like the rich, the fancy hotel. You can see it looks nice through here, but
No entry beyond this point.
wait, how do we get in? Go down here. Let's go down here. Oh, that's a pretty spectacular building. Why everybody comes here is beyond me. I don't know why everyone comes here. I can't find the love for it.
We've given it a good go, haven't we?
We tried, yeah. We tried. We extended our stay. We proper went into all the places that the geezer told us to go. That's good. And it's just it's like there's a lot of people, but there's just nothing going on.
If we had more time, we'd go up north, wouldn't we? More like Batad and
Yeah.
Sagada.
Yeah. So, are the northern Philippines worth coming to over the south?
100 million% no.
Absolutely not.
No, not for tourists, not for
Not.
you know, if you fly 15 hours to come here, you wouldn't come here for this.
No. I would say stick with the south. After spending a week there and a week here.
We've just spent a week here, wasted our money, so you guys don't have to do the same thing.
Yeah. The people up here are different as well. It's like I know that, you know, when you're in the cities and that when you're in the cities, you're focused on your own path. You're very busy. Everyone's busy. Everyone's doing their own thing. It's not the same. It's not the same sort of vibe as if you're on a little island by the beach where everyone's got all the time in the world, you know, and all the locals there are happy to see you because you're funding their amazing lifestyle living on the islands. Whereas when you come to the cities and that, these people are working their arse off all day, you know, every day, and probably still couldn't do a lot of the things that we're able to do. So
They are still
it's a
very
different.
friendly here.
They're
but
very
just-
friendly, but it's not the same. It's like the place we're staying in now. They text me saying, "Oh yeah, you got to check in." I checked in. He turned up and he goes, "Hi, I'm here for the money." And I was like, "All right,
Very abrupt.
no worries." There you go then. And he goes, "Okay, money has been collected." I was like, "Yeah, I should hope so." And then that was like, "Why are you being like that with him?" And I was like, "Well, he's just turned up here. He's taking the money. He ain't said to us, what do you think of the place? Like, how long are you going to be here for? Like, I don't know. He weren't interested. He just wanted the money and he just off." So, and it's like that. I don't know. It's very different. It's very, very different up here. And there's no other Westerners here, so I can't be the only one that thought that.
It's not even the lack of tourists, the lack of Westerners. I don't really like it's not a big deal, but
But that
the
does
reason
show
why
something.
people don't come up here is because there's nothing to do.
Yeah.
Like for us.
And then you get here and you're like,
Yeah.
what the hell? Why is there so many people here? What are they doing? But they're all just with each other, you know. It's like big groups that come here and stuff. Like big families come here, so they spend the time together as a long break, which is fair enough. But for foreigners, you know, if you're solo traveling or traveling in a duo or backpacking, anything like that, there's not that sort of like community here. Anyway, as always, much love. Peace out. Now, we probably haven't sold Baguio to you, but if you're still going to come here anyway, one thing worth doing is coming to the piano bar in the evening. It's from 6 till 9 or 10. 10. You come in here and chill, they've got the music playing. It's a nice atmosphere, it's a really nice hotel. I don't know how you even get a room here because they're not on any comparison sites or anything like that. I think you've got to go on their website, but even that was quite hard to work out, so who knows. Anyway, much love, peace out. We're doing a great job of not offending anyone this year, aren't we?
Off to a strong start.
Off to a strong start.